where cooking is made easy. All right, I'm gonna give a shout out to my man Grilling with AB. All right, this is his recipe. It's called chicken stuffed baked potatoes. And the ingredients, what it consists of: rustic baked potatoes, two chicken breasts, a 4-ounce bar of cream cheese, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of seasoning or a ranch seasoning of your favorite choice. 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese, and optional is 6 slices of bacon. All right, so let me get set up, and let's get into this easy recipe that's from Grilling with AB. Check him out on YouTube. He's real mad cool. All right, so y'all guys stand by me, right back. All right, we're gonna start off basically with the potatoes because it takes us the longest, not the longest to cook, but we're gonna get them in the oven. And I got the oven set between, I got it set on 500 degrees. Okay, what I did, I punched holes into the potatoes and olive oil, and I used the coarse salt on the skin itself. So I'm gonna bake these until they are fork tender. All right, and that will start off with this right now because this cooking is made easy. This is easy. All right, so these are going to the oven at 500 degrees until they are fork tender. So y'all guys stay tuned. I'll be right back. Okay, I failed to mention that I'm using a slow cooker. All right, for this recipe, and these I have 3 chicken breasts. Okay, I got 2.5 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. I changed the recipe a little bit by I added 1 more chicken breast and a 1/2 cup more of cheese, and it consists of 4 ounces. I'm using 5 ounces of sour cream, not sour cream, cream cheese. My mistake. And I'm using ranch dressing, and it's gonna cook for approximately 2.5 hours. All right, on high. All right, so you can also do your chicken in a pan or a skillet the same way, but I'm going by what Grilling with AB, how he did it, and I'm doing it the same way, but I'm just changing up how much more ingredients that I'm going to be using because I'm using additional chicken breasts. All right, so y'all guys stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, we got the baked potatoes in. Now we're going to start with this chicken here. All right, the chicken has been washed, trimmed, and cleaned. So I'm just going to put the chicken in here, the chicken breast in. No fancy order. Let's get them in there. Okay. And I am using a butter roll, a butter seasoning. All right, and this stuff is really good. So, but I'm also going to put my cream cheese in. Get my cream cheese in there, and we're going to season. We are going to season these chicken breasts very generously because we want flavor. Yes, we do. Very generously. This stuff is good. I like this stuff. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. All right, that should be enough there. And now what I'm going to do now, I am going to let this cook for 2 hours and 30 minutes on high in this slow cooker. All right, but we're actually going fast with it. All right, so without further ado, when the chicken breasts are done, guys, we'll be right back. So stand by. All right, it's been cooking for 2 hours and 30 minutes so far now. I did temp the chicken already, but we're going to temp this chicken again. And the thickest part of the chicken, see what temperature that we come up, we should get at least over 165 degrees. Anything under, she's not ready. All right, so she's looking good so far. 64, 65, all right, 68, 68, 69. All right, temperature's over 170 degrees. All right, gonna check one more. Over 170 degrees, this one here and the last one. Okay, 168, 169, over 170 degrees. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to shred this chicken up. Get it all nice and shredded up. Get it nice and shredded up, and get the cream cheese mixed in with the sauce here. There's one more step after this. We're going to add the cheese to it. All right. So I'm going to finish shredding this chicken up, and y'all guys, I'll be right back. Situated here, all shredded up nicely, and I'll give it a nice little mix here in that sauce, and the flavor is out of this world. I mean, delicious. Now I'm going to hit it with the cheese. All right, now when you're doing this, like grilling with AB, he says, do not over cheese it. Do not. Can I get a spoon? There we go. Do not over cheese it. Now I'm using about 2.5 cups of cheese here. All right. I'm going to save some of that cheese for the potatoes. Ooh, very hot, very hot. There's a bottle, thank you. By the way, we have Mrs. Chef Puff in the house, helping me prepare this dinner. I think I'm going to need a little bit more cheese. I'm going to need a little bit more cheese. And I'm using a sharp cheddar cheese. This looks delicious. It's not pulled pork, it's pulled chicken. All right, I think that's the consistency that I'm looking for. All right, so let me get my potatoes set up, and y'all guys stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so what I'm gonna do now with this potato, I already basically not removed the flesh, but opened up the flesh on the inside of this potato here. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take me some Velveeta cheese. Some Velveeta cheese, get it up in there. Yo, yeah. Get my Velveeta up in here. All right, let me get that out of the way. Now what I'm gonna do now, give it a good mix in here. Nice, good mix. All right. That's all said and done. Now what I'm going to do, open. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. I like cheese. All right. Got cheese all up in there. All right. Now, what I'm going to do. Oh, that's damn good. That is so good. Now, I am going to get my chicken up in here. Right, get this chicken up in here. Now I want to get that a little mixed up all in here with the potatoes and the cheese. This is gonna be some good eats here. Chicken is nice and soft and tender. Now right here, you can also throw some bacon bits in there if you had some, but we're not using bacon today. Now I'm gonna take me a little bit more of the chicken. Look at that. Just look at that. Shout out to Grilling with AB. This is a nice recipe, man. All right. And guess what? Throw a little bit more liquid courage up here. Some gold. Oh yeah. Then I'm gonna top it with some chives. And this is what they call a chicken cheesy stuffed potato. And I can tell you this tastes good already. All right, because the potatoes were done properly. All right, the outside, the exterior with the olive oil and the salt, and the chicken with my favorite seasoning. It was a butter seasoning that just beautiful. But you can use any seasoning that you want. And with the cheese and the this is just over the top. All right, if you like this, give me thumbs up. All right, please subscribe, ring that bell. All right, I want to dig into this right now, but I would make a pic of myself right now, and I'll make a pic of myself off the camera. All right, so without further ado, listen, y'all guys, y'all have a wonderful evening, and I will see y'all guys on the next video. Bye.